Welcome back to another episode of Flat Out Living. We've had a little bit of a break between our last episodes while we finished up some recording and getting some planning done for the next few stages on the trip. We're leaving Karratha after spending the last 4 weeks here. In today's episode, we're heading into Karijini National Park. We've heard it's pretty dry, with most days getting over 40 degrees. It's going to be tough to leave our friends, family, and let's face it, aircon behind as we get back to roughing it in the tent. We can't wait to get into this part of the adventure. Let's go.
All right, so we've done the better part of a month now in Karratha. It's been real. You loved every minute, Neeks?
I did.
It's been great. Finally got the tent repaired. Thanks to Ed and Belinda for the kids for letting us hang out with them for all of 4 weeks. Ed, your meals were great. We'll come back for a roast anytime.
Time to hit the road again with Karratha in our rearview mirror. We left a little late after saying our goodbyes and we made our way south into Karijini National Park. With a small donation and some safety videos to watch, we were able to utilise one of the private roads owned by Rio Tinto to cut some time off the trip. With the car freshly serviced, the tent repaired and us feeling well rested, we are ready for anything, even if that does mean torrential rain. We're heading out this morning to do one of the many walks that Karijini has to offer.
What are you bruhing?
Steep.
Wow. These flies are pretty. How you doing? Kermit, your pool better be worth it, mate. Mad skills, bruh.
We're starting this morning by heading out to Kermit's pool.
Oh, look at those boots. Now you're an adventurer.
On the walk, we've heard there's also a thing called the spider walk, where when the water's full, you get to walk like a spider above the water. But we don't think we're going to have too much luck with these super dry conditions. Guess we'll just wait and see.
Well, I guess it would be a spider walk if there was water in it.
Do it anyway.
Who's Spider-Man?
Turns out there wasn't too much water at the end, so we detoured back and we made our way to the handrail pool.
Neeks loved We Are No Gorge.
Would not recommend, guys.
Oh, guys. Oh my goodness.
Guys.
You're talking to someone? It's just a camera.
Anybody, don't do it.
Didn't realise it was just a loop. And it's like 40 plus out right now. Wow. Oof, eat your heart out. We had to bolt back to the tent today because there was a big storm in the distance and Neeks was hella worried. And we did make it back to the tent in time, can confirm. It was a pretty gnarly storm. And now the sun's out. And
Bums out, shower time.
yep, bums out, bikinis, everything, you know it. So time to go for a swim and get this red off us.
Yo.
We made our way past Fortescue Falls and down to the Fern Pool, which is only about 5 minutes from camp.
Feeling fine, feeling fresh.
She feels good now.
This morning, we're up and at it pretty early to get to the opposite side of the national park over to Hammersley Gorge.
Do a flip. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we were doing really good up until then. Nah, you're up. Cold?
Yep, it's cold.
Hot out here. Oh, that's all right.
Very slippery. What's that?
Show us your best angle.
Get up.
Turns out it is pretty slippery trying to get out of the water. Good news is we made it there eventually.
What's that? You want to get your Instagram shot here? Well, give us your best look. No.
Ken confirmed that was the shot that she wanted.
Can you say that again?
Ticked off the bucket list.
How nice.
On the opposite end of the gorge, we noticed that there was a nice big canyon with water running through it that you could swim down the whole way.
Oh, it's so much easier when you've got all your hands and all your feet and you don't have to hold the camera.
Yeah, it's pretty hard, eh? Swap you up.
Don't drown me. Just because you're getting tired. Pretty nice in here.
No, fit as a fiddle.
Oh, she's a good swim. So we're attempting Joffrey Gorge and Knox Gorge again today. It is currently 12:41, so we're 2 hours ahead of where we were yesterday when we attempted. And if you look in the rearview mirror, there are no storm clouds, so we are good to go. Pumped?
Absolutely.
Turns out Joffrey Gorge was a no-go.
It wasn't a no-go, I could just see it without having to do the walk.
Yep, well, we can't see Knox, so we're doing the walk. Let the complaining begin. I'd love to say we walked down that, but it was more of a climb. I reckon Neeks will like this one. Ready? Hey Neeks. I feel like there's a bit of a divide between you and I at the moment. You look so small on the camera. Jump. Oh, yep, you definitely had a pretty good view over here.
Just me and my fly friends. We're having so much fun. Really? Literally looks like a landslide has come through.
I'd say that's a good observation.
Oh, thanks. I would call myself a pretty observant. Shit. Hot mess.
Yep, she's the one.
Woo.
A bit hot.
Wow.
What do you say we head back to camp and go for a quick dip, cool off? That's enough walking for today.
We were hoping to go for a swim, but we only made it to the lookout.
You won't believe this. Will you, Neeks? Second day in a row, we're being chased back to camp because there's a gnarly storm coming in. Lightning, electricity, cyclonic winds, PTSD, you name it. Here it comes.
Seems like a good enough reason to stay in and get ready to head off tomorrow. After spending the last 3 nights in Karijini, we are pretty keen to hit the blacktop again and make our way further west. We had to stop in at a fuel station for the night due to some highway closures because there was a massive out-of-control bushfire. The next morning when the highway reopened, we had tunnel vision and a one-way ticket to Exmouth. I've got a feeling this is going to be Neeks' favourite part of the trip. We'll see you next time as we hit those sandy white beaches, those beautiful blue oceans, and check out some of the best snorkeling that Australia has to offer. We'll see you then.